Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 Mathematics Past Question 50. Find the perimeter of the figure below. Find the perimeter of the figure below. Now you can see this figure below. This figure here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, and each of these sides has its length. So we have to find the perimeter of this figure. Now A here says 18.3 cm, B says 18.7 cm, C says 17.7 cm, and D says 14.5 cm. Now for us to find the perimeter of this figure, it means that we have to find the sum of the length of the total outline, that is the total surrounding of this figure. Remember I said this figure has how many sides? 5 sides. So for us to find the perimeter of this figure, we have to add the length. We have to add the length of each of these sides of this figure. So the perimeter will be equal to what? It will be equal to the sum of the length of all the sides of the shape. So the perimeter is equal to what? Is equal to the sum of all the sides, that is sum of the lengths of all the sides of the shape. So therefore, meaning that we'll add all these lengths together to find the perimeter of this figure. So therefore our perimeter P is giving us, well, let's start with A here. From this side, let's start with this 2. So we have 2 plus 1.5 plus 3.2 plus 5 cm and plus lastly 6 cm. So we have 2 plus 1.5 cm plus 3.2 cm plus 5 cm and plus 6 cm, because it has 5 sides. So we are adding the length of these 5 sides to give us our perimeter. Therefore perimeter P is equal to 2 plus 1.5 will give us 3.5. 3.5 plus 3.2 will give us 7.7. Sorry, will give us 6.7. 2 plus 1.5 will give us 3.5. 3.5 plus 3.2 will give us 6.7. And then 6.7 plus 5 will give us 11.7. And 11.7 plus 6 will give us 17.7. So our answer is 17.7 cm. 17.7 cm is the perimeter of this figure. Remember I said to find the perimeter, we add the length of all the sides together. And from our option here, we see that C here says 17.7. So C is our answer. C is the correct answer. A says 18.3, which is wrong. B says 18.7, which is wrong. And D says 14.5, which is wrong. But C corresponds to our answer, 17.7. So C is our answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more videos.